Nächster Stopp, Planet Erde.
Hallo, ich bin der Manuel Schad von SWD Sport. Heute Technik. Wir sind hier in Italien bei UFO. Neben mir der Lorenzo, der Exportmanager von UFO. Und ich habe ein paar Fragen an ihn. How old are you?
52. Working here since 25 years.
Oh.
So a lot.
A lot.
So I know, I can say all the secrets of the company, everything. So
Secrets, that sounds good. What is the main work for UFO?
yeah, you know, our main business is the production of plastics. We have all the molds of all the spare parts for all the bikes, starting from the 1970s to today. We have about 1,500 molds. We have the injection facility and everything. So we produce almost all the plastics for all the bikes.
Wow, we're hard. But only bikes?
Yes, only off-road bikes. Only off-road.
off-road.
Yes. We are focused on off-road bikes.
And UFO is since this time here?
Yes. We were born in 1977 here, 1 kilometer from here.
Okay.
Then we moved here in 2000, and now we are here in this facility since 25 years. We have other 3 buildings, one in this way, another one in that way, very close. So we can say that it is UFO land. Everything is very close.
How many workers do you have?
So we have here about 80 people. 80, and then we have another sister company who make the stickers in Pisa.
Blackbird.
No. It's our company
yeah.
with the other 70 people. So I can say the group is totally about 140, 150 people. Yes.
I don't know that you have your own sticker.
Yeah, because the company is, I can say it's new. We have a new owner since 3-4 years now. And the new owners is also owner of a company who makes stickers.
Okay.
So he built the company and he bought UFO in 2022 and we started. So now we have almost 2 companies, one for plastics and another one for stickers.
And which is the name of the?
No, we don't make sticker for off-road bikes.
Okay.
We make sticker for a caravan like this.
Okay.
Big stickers. We make OEM equipment
Yeah.
for almost 30% of the trucks in Europe. And this is the main business. Now we are thinking also to move into this kind of business. So I mean, this kind of stickers. We will coming soon.
So I can be a customer.
Yeah, sure. I hope so. I'm sure.
What do you think for the future with off-road?
Yeah, the off-road, it's obviously it's a small part of the motorcycle business. But the good thing is that there are not so many players on it. So I mean, there are not so many producers of plastics. It's a business that we hope can grow. And the good idea we have is that we need to renew, to produce new items, to make new products, to offer new things to the customers just to attract more people, especially the young guys. So this is why we have, for example, all the mini bikes, plastics from 65, 85. We have also all the gear for kids also, because we want to start since the beginning and to build together.
Do you make OEM for any company, for Honda or Yamaha?
No. We are out of this business. We prefer to focus on our brand. So we produce only UFO plastic with our brand and not with the OEM. It's a different kind of business, so we don't want to enter into this business.
Now we are behind my bike.
Yes.
This is a special bike.
Nice bike. Very nice bike.
This is the pink one. It's I think I'm the only one.
I think so. Yeah. Because we produce the pink especially for you, only for you. So we have, I can say that we have some standard color like white, black, but we can produce a special color for a special customer. And when we produce a special color, it's only for one customer. So we produce a lot of pink plastics, the headlight, the rear fender for you. We send to you, and you are the only one in the world with these plastics in pink.
What do you think if you see it? Makes sense to start new colors for old bikes?
Yes, absolutely yes. Because when I see the bike for the first time, I've been very impressed because it's very nice, and it's the only one in the world. I can say that there is not any pink bike like yours. So it's very nice. I'm very happy when we need to produce some special color for some customers because it's like an identification of the customer. So when you see the pink, you think about your company, not other brand.
So I think we have enough information. I want to see the company,
Yes.
and so we go with the camera inside.
Yeah, absolutely.
And,
we can make a factory tour.
I have also a lot of gifts for you,
Oh.
a lot of beer from Germany.
Thank you.
I hope you share it with the workers.
Absolutely, I will share
And
with them.
I think there are enough shirts for 80 people.
I think so. Maybe it's more than enough. We are Italian. We are not German. Remember? It's okay. Thank you.
I will also thank you for the pink for the work.
Yes,
It was
it's
not
nice.
easy at the first moment, but it works.
Yeah. So also, let's think in the future if you have some other strange idea with some strange color. We are more than happy to produce for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, jetzt haben wir alles gesehen da. Wir haben den Laden angeschaut, war total klasse. Euch da draußen danke ich fürs Zuschauen. Liked uns in Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, liked auch UFO Plast. Bis bald, euer Manuel Schad von SWD Sports. Ciao!
Hardet, ich möchte mich auch noch von euch verabschieden. Tschüss.